In my opinion, the community is getting too negative. We need to get back into supporting each other. Here's why it is I do what I do for y'all. It's sincere. I care. I want to see each and every one of you be able to create and have space and time for your creative endeavor. I know music has saved my life. Without music, I don't know where I would have been. It kept me out of trouble. It opened up new opportunities for me. And I know how it is to go to the job, have to take care of your responsibilities, but not have enough time to be able to invest in music or in yourself. This is why I do what it is I do. You know, you might not have the time to go through records and dig through records. Maybe I do. And I share. I make tools that basically help shortcut you, not cheat or whatever, but just help bring you up. That little quick 15 minutes you got before you take the kids off to practice or do your dad duties or motherly duties, you can jump on and get something out that, you know, that makes you sound just as good as what it is you hear out there. I do this, man, because I love this and I love you and I care about you. You know, we are all a family, all as creative brethren. We are all a family. We have to take care of each other. I'm about action. I'm not about words. I'm not just here selling you kit. I also give back. I believe this street is too wet. My whole life story since I got into this thing was about giving back. When I invented Lazy Chop, it was about giving back. I saw how tedious the chopping samples was. All of the innovations I helped Akai would bring into the MPC, that was all for you guys. You know, we took an MPC that was just about falling behind machine and everybody's writing it off. And me in a team of, you know, Ja, Hellfire, OG, Trip, Paul, Skylar, Katie, Geo, Pete Goodliff, Dan Gill. I don't want to forget Joey from Sound on Samplers. I don't want to forget DJ Scratch. He was there. Hey Needles, he was there. I don't want to forget about my boy Crisis. We were determined to make sure we gave you guys the tools that you needed, man, because we care. Because I care. I'm going to speak for myself. And I knew at that time, those people care. We used to stay up and have meetings all night, drawing out principles or ideas, man. Sometimes we get in almost fist fights because we cared. It brings joy to my heart to see from where we started to where we came. Man, remember, people was writing Akai off. Yo, we changed history. We changed history. And we did it for you. We did it for y'all. MPC is just more than a machine. It's an escape. It's a lifestyle. It's a philosophy. It's a principle. All right, look, guys, I love y'all. Respect. Support your boys. Support each other. One.